हाँ 10 बजे करेक्ट छोड़ दिया।
जय श्रीमान।
इसको थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर ये वाला ऐसे करेगा सब लोग साथ बैठ जाएंगे तो ये चेयर इसको अगर ऐसा करते हैं हाँ ऐसा कर सकते हैं उसको ऐसे करके तीनों कुर्सी लगा देंगे सब लोग वहाँ सामने बैठ जाएंगे। ठीक सर बस आपका ड्रीम informing particular to welcome such a great personality like you on that is our second cycle of mine. Sir, first cycle accreditation in 2015, grade was B, and from 15 to 24, we have effective years, only 6 years because of COVID-19. So this is the vision of the founder to embrace excluded section of society into ministry and ensure sustainable development and efforts which we took to achieve the vision in the name of mission is to impart quality and affordable education to the students of remote areas, to provide students friendly environment, to nurture and produce foremost human beings, promote gender equality in the campus as well as in the society through sensitization programs. Sir, these are the criteria which will be taken care of during this presentation. But criteria-wise, the each presentation will be shared by coordinator of accuracy, or he may, with your permission, invite concerned persons, either HODs or convener of the different committees for ground reporting. Respected sir, with your kind permission, I would like to highlight the changes, improvements, initiatives related to several criteria which took place during last 6 effective years after the first cycle under the supervision of the constituted IQAC. First of all, I would like to thank IQAC for giving such useful proposals to incorporate recommendations given by respective PhD of first cycle. At the same time, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the manager for blessing for his unconditional support in all respects. Respected sir, we are happy to share with you that we have successfully incorporated most of the suggestions of available to the team of the site. I will stand this side. Each of the items presented here will be elaborated by the coordinator of IQAC or HODs respectively as per your direction. Respected sir, we have this link of virtual tour. It is a link with the college website to give the actual feeling to the students before taking admission in the college. It gives complete transparency to the stakeholders. Sir, it will also help you to save time of physical verification. Decentralized, democratic and transparent system works in the campus. Each and every concerned person, committee of the management, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and students take active part in decision-making process as per requirement. financial category, grant in aid, type of education, co-education, and area of campus is 4.068. So this is the committee of the management. So president, unfortunately he is no more, recently so he died, and committee manager of the committee as per bylaws, he is obviously the post of president, and Vijay Singh the manager, Dr. Lalji Shukla joint secretary, Sati Prasad Mishra member, Dayasankar Dubey member, Sanjay Singh member, Bajrang Pratap Singh member, and Mata Pei Singh member. So number of full-time teachers 57, total number of students enrolled 2272, number of non-teaching staff 44, number of UG program 16, number of PG program 9, and number of PhD program 15. Teacher-student ratio is approx 1 to 40. So out of 57, there are 51 PhD holders, 2 MPhil, and 83 around research papers have been published during the effective period, and 11 books and chapters have been published. 6 faculty members are pursuing PhD. Details will be shared by the coordinator at UPC in this presentation. Sir, during these last 6 years, well-furnished double-story building, 10 rooms completed in all districts after first cycle. Always sports ground and cycle stand maintained after first cycle. We furnished toilet, well-furnished toilets for students completed after first cycle. We have installed sanitary napkin vending machine and destroyer under the supervision of Dr. Seema Singh, in charge of women's cell after first cycle. We have a general computer lab along with separate labs for online library, physics and mathematics as it is a part of the syllabus. We have a renovated principal's office, library, chemistry and botany lab after first cycle. We have introduced complete institute management systems, IMS, after first cycle. It covers almost all items like admission, fee, attendance, identity card, TC, character, all reports and library modules, etc. It is also linked with the website. It is password protected. Only authorized persons can access this. And so this is the URL link. If you will allow, sir, I will show you in detail. How does it work? It will be elaborated by the coordinator of IQAC, or he may invite in charge of ERP, Mr. Ramesh Kumar Yadav for general activities, and Avinash Kumar Yadav for library, and Manish Kumar Singh will help. This e-governance system covers almost the entire campus. It has stored all data from 2021 in soft form. ERP generated ID card for all purposes. So this is the example, and it is my ID card. This ID number will be effective in each and every activity of the campus. Human resource training, non-teaching management is fully digital and being managed by Manav Sampada and Samarth portal. For example, my details are available on this link, but it is password protected. Respected sir, if you allow, I can open this link. 100% green energy campus after first cycle, no use of electricity, 30 kVA solar plant is installed, sir. We have maintained very structured water harvesting system. CCTV at almost all important places are installed. Wi-Fi enabled campus with youngest membership after first cycle. 2 LCD projectors and 2 mobile smart class after first cycle. We have digital speaking Gita which narrates in almost Indian languages. After first cycle, we have added courses PG, home science, physics, chemistry, biology, botany. And 3 courses become home science, physical education at UG level. 1 more course, BSc in healthcare management, apprenticeship, embedded degree program in collaboration with Sector Skill Council UP is under process and will be started from next session. We have introduced NEP 2020 in totality. Semester, CBCS, continuous assessment, academic bank of credit, complete flexibility, interdisciplinary approach, 6 co-curricular and 4 skill development courses, etc. have been introduced successfully. Most of the faculty members are used fifth mode of teaching. We share e-content prepared using different teaching platforms to the students and discuss it in the classroom. All details will be shared by coordinator of IQAC in his presentation. More than 30% students out of total enrollment are engaged in project, fieldwork, dissertation, as it has become compulsory in NEP 2020 in last year of UG and PG. Details related to allotment, nature, title, method, etc. either will be shared by coordinator or he may invite HODs for ground reality. Since last 2 years, we have started to prepare annual budget, sir. Finance committee proceedings will be showcased by coordinator of IQAC. Since last year, we started to organize alumni meets, sir. As a result, we arranged 400 meter CC road in the campus. Value of the road is more than 75 lakhs. And 7 days FDP on research methodology in the collaboration with UGC, HRDC, GNB, Jodhpur. Professor Rajesh Kumar Dubey, Director of UGC, HRDC, Jodhpur, has been a student of this institution, sir. He is alumni of the institution. I delivered 2 lectures in this workshop and received appreciation letter for best coordination. Sir, IQAC coordinator will show you certificates if you allow. Other details will be shared by the coordinator of IQAC. Started job fair, sir. By placement sale, more than 20 students got offer letter. Details will be shared by the coordinator of IQAC. We replaced the old table tennis court with new one. We started to prepare academic activity calendar. We follow the academic calendar issued by BBSPU and state government. Records are well documented in hard as well as soft copy. It will be presented before you at the time of IBC presentation. Soft copy of office record is stored on ERP since 2021 and records related to the co-curricular and extracurricular activities are stored on social media platform. Details of different committees will be explained by coordinator of IQAC. Several students completed his PhD during the effective year in more than 80 research papers published by the faculty members. Along with many books, details will be shared with you, sir, by the IQAC coordinator. Gita Path in the library, morning prayer, mentor mentee scheme, publication of admission brochure, and annual magazine are the best practices of the campus. Strength, weakness, opportunity, and challenges. The analysis will be presented by the coordinator of IQAC before you in detail, sir. But precisely, I would like to mention one strength and one weakness. Best staff, teaching and non-teaching, and excellent committee of management are our strength, and financial shortage and situational disadvantage are the main weaknesses. Respected sir, I being a principal, play a significant role in the university administration also as a member of executive council, the sports council, admission committee, and affiliation committee. Sir, we have introduced practice of induction program since 2021. As a result, we did not receive any complaint of any kind from the student side. That's why research sir and anti-ragging sir have no role to play. Respected sir, being a principal, thank you, sir. This is my presentation, and rest will be presented by the IQAC coordinators. Thank you, sir.
Given that ERP means
Yes.
the beginning part, these two you would like to verify.
Yeah, they will verify, sir. They will visit, sir. In the library,
They want to see that
they
ERP.
open the ERP link. Open ERP.
We need the presentation copy.
I don't have it.
Yes, yes.
Give us.
Same name we need.
I will give you 3 copies.
Application is all right.
When you are making a presentation simultaneously,
Before you have to do it, then we follow this basic concept.
अपना IQAC का अफसर
you must bring. No, these also is a real book.
सर
That's what I'm asking you.
You
Before the presentation, you should give us. Then we will write some important things.
एक कर दीजिए IQAC वाला आपका कोई आया ना हो
You have the this is
same coordinator presentation also, please hand out.
This is your or coordinator?
And chairman's meetings and background service.
यही अभी यहाँ में एक बैनर आपका रेडी है क्या? रेडी है तो लगा दीजिए, ऐसा वो नेट में तो जाना है ना।
The last one.
Yes.
BA and first semester. First semester, third. Okay, third semester. These are the students of third semester of BA. And anyone you can search from here. Every detail will be there.
Exactly.
Fine, good.
And so
Attendance,
yes,
student attendance taken in this.
attendance is also there. Your account, every teacher is registered here. You will open, suppose I am the teacher of economics. I will open my account in the classroom, and list of students who have already economics will be shown on your screen.
Is marking the.
And you have only to touch the
So you see the fee, not fee, attendance.
attendance you will reduce.
Yeah, if you are based on the follow the digital system for admissions, fees, candidates, reports.
Everything is
And
ready.
management issues also there.
Even sir, I have a library, second module, and library covers everything. Everything in the same issuing, returning.
Yes, that is also one student fees for
Everything.
tax.
Yes, sir.
Attendance will be.
Attendance.
Yeah, attendance will be. Your net is very slow.
Net is slow, sir, and technical is taking.
Just a minute.
And sir, this is the subject.
WO means?
24, 25 attendance.
No, no.
is-
WO means what?
Weekend off.
Weekend ऑफ है सर, ये संडे जाते हैं।
Okay, and if you?
ये हॉलीडेज है, जो मतलब सर यूनिवर्सिटी हॉलीडे या जनरल हॉलीडे या
So this is academic calendar.
एकेडमिक का।
Then show me the last month attendance of that candidate.
हम लास्ट में सर वो एक्चुअली मंथ ऑफ जून नेट वाज our college was closed, so there will be no attendance, but we have more than 90%. The fee collection, suppose there, sir, the equities fee करेगा, ये BA करेगा क्या, BA करेगा, first semester करेगा, first semester.
No fee.
ये टू डेज ये वो CR दिखाओ नीचे को CR ट्रांजेक्शन देखो, हाँ हाँ.
Otherwise, show me any existing fee for tax. Because standard may not be paid.
ये डेट चेंज कर दो ना 23, 22, 23 को तो आ जाएगी तो डेट चेंज कर दो
आज तो नहीं है ना?
आज अटेंडेंस नहीं है ना, वो एडमिशन नहीं है तो पीछे कर दो चेंज कर दो हाँ
ये आज वेट करेंगे।
फी कलेक्शन तेज जो हाँ पीछे कर देते हो ये तो the operating person. You will see. Okay, sir. This is this. If you say each and every activity related to other persons, that's why everybody cannot operate anything. Meeting.
Okay, so you come and make your presentation.
in libraries and it is very Shastra.
Okay.
If you
And if you ask them to read,
I'm
email me,
I'm